So yesterday we started the problem set 15. Okay. 14 problem set 14 we finished yesterday. That is multiplication, and we started the problem set 15. And the first question of division we solved. Okay. Now we are moving towards the word problem. I hope this word problem also this word problem will not finish till it. Okay. Only question number 1. This division we finished. Okay. So now we are going to solve the word problems. Okay. Okay. So I hope no one will talk in between, and please pay attention. How many hours will it take to travel 336 kilometer at a speed of 48 kilometer per hour? See, if the speed of if a speed is 48 kilometer per hour, if someone is traveling at a speed of 48 kilometer per hour, 1 hour में 48 kilometers वो cover कर रहा है, complete कर रहा है. So how many hours will take to travel 336 kilometer? तो ऐसे 336 kilometer complete करने के लिए how many hours will required? Okay. So answer, distance to be traveled. हमें कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करना है? 336 किलोमीटर. एंड व्हाट इज द स्पीड पर आवर? 1 आवर में कितना कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं, कितना डिस्टेंस कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं? 48 किलोमीटर. सो स्पीड per hour is 48 kilometer. So we have to find out how many hours will required to cover the 336 kilometer. Okay, to travel the 336 kilometers. So what we'll again do? We'll write 336 below the horizontal line. Okay, and it is a dividend. As I told you yesterday, it is a dividend. 48 is a divisor. Okay, so below the horizontal line we are going to write the dividend, that is a 336 kilometer, and divisor 48 we are going to write before the vertical line. Okay, now we have to find out in 48 times table at which place 336 comes. Okay, 48 tables we don't know, so what we'll do? 48 into 6. 6 8s are 48. So we'll write 4 here, we'll carry forward 4. We write 8 here, we'll carry forward 4. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus this 4, 28. 28 very small than 336. Now we'll multiply 48 into 7. 7 8s are 56. We'll carry forward 5 at the head of 4. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 5. 28 plus 5. 29, 30, 31, 32, and 33. 33. So what we need? 336 over here. Correct? So in 48 times table at 7th place, 336 comes. So 48 sevens are 336. What will write over here? 7. Above the horizontal line. 7. And 336 down. 48 sevens are 336. Now what we'll do? We'll do the subtraction. 6 minus 6, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. Again 3 minus 3 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay. Okay. So our answer is, it will take 7 hours to cover the distance. Which distance? 336. 336 kilometer distance travel करने के लिए how many hours we need? 7 hours. Okay. Okay. Now we'll see the next example. We'll see the next example. Fourth example we'll see. Students, if you have any doubt, you can note in your notebook. I'll ask you afterwards. Okay. Now, Shaurya Adhangaye, please lower down your hand. Okay. The here. The contribution for a picnic was 65 rupees each. There is one picnic, and what is the contribution for picnic? 65 rupees each. Per child is have to pay 65 rupees. Altogether, 2,925 rupees were collected. Altogether, how many rupees collected? 2,925 rupees collected. Then, how many students book their seats? Okay, this question is wrong here. Okay, so how many students paid the money for the picnic? Okay, एक पिकनिक है, उसका per head charge है 65 rupees. And how many rupees collected altogether? 2,925. So we have to find out how many students paid the money for the picnic. कितने बच्चों ने पिकनिक के लिए मनी पे किया है? Okay, so answer, total money collected for the picnic. What is the total money collected for the picnic? That is 2,925. Okay, contribution per head, one student, how much money the one student paid? That is the rupees 65. एक बच्चे ने कितना पे किया है? 65. So number of people, so how many students paid the money? We have to find out that. Okay, now again what we'll do, I'll zoom little bit for you. Okay, okay, so again our dividend, that is a 2,925. This is the total amount collected. Okay, and 65, this is a divisor, each child pay the money. Okay, now we have to find out the number smaller than 292 in the 65 times table. 65 के टेबल में हमें 292 से छोटा वाला नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है. Now we don't know the table of 65. So what we'll do? 65 3s are 3 5s are 15. We'll carry forward 1. 3 6 are 18. 18 and 1 19. 195 is too small than 292. 292 से बहुत छोटा ही है. What we'll do? We'll multiply 65 into 4. 4 5s are 20. We'll carry forward 2. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus this 2, 26. Now why we are taking 4 only? Why we are not taking 5? Okay, तो हम लोग 5 से करके देखें. 65 into 5. 5 5s are 25. Carry forward 2. 5 6s are 30. 30 plus this 2, 32. This 325 is bigger than 292. 325 292 से बड़ा है ना, तो सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा क्या? नहीं होगा. So which number is smaller? 65 4s are is 260. 65 4s is 260. That's why we are taking 4 over here. Okay, that's why we are taking 4. Okay, 65 4s are 260. Now subtraction, 2 minus 0 2, 9 minus 6 is 3, and this 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, so 33 remains. We'll take this 5 at down. 325 is the number now. ये माइनस करके सिर्फ अभी यहाँ पे क्या बचा? 5. So this 5 we are taking down. इस 5 को हम लोग ने नीचे ले लिया. Near the 32. 32 के बाद में 5 को ले लिया. Now number is 325. Okay, 325 number है. So now only we saw that 65 5s are 325. 65 5s are 325. So 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 minus 2 is again 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, so how many students paid money for the picnic? 45 students paid money for the picnic. Correct? 45 students paid the money for the picnic. Wait. So altogether, how many students paid the money for the picnic? 45 students paid the money for the picnic. One sec. You see, the contribution for the picnic is 65 rupees. Okay, the contribution for the picnic is 65 rupees. Okay, पिकनिक के लिए एक बच्चा कितना पे कर रहा है? 65 रुपीज. 2925 रुपीज ऑल टुगेदर कलेक्टेड. तो सारे पैसे कितने जमा हो गए? 2925. Okay, so how many students paid the money for the picnic? We have to find out that. तो कितने बच्चों ने पिकनिक के लिए पैसे दिए वो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, सो आवर आंसर इज टोटल मनी कलेक्टेड फॉर द पिकनिक इज 2925. कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन पर हेड कितना है? 65 रुपीज. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट, नंबर ऑफ पीपल पेड द मनी फॉर द पिकनिक. तो कितने बच्चों ने या कितने पीपल ने पैसे पे किए पिकनिक के लिए वो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. सो व्हाट विल डू we'll do the division. Okay, now we'll write the 2925 here because we are writing dividend below the horizontal line. Here divisor 65, each child pay the money for the picnic, that is 65. Okay, so 65 fours are 260, 65 fours are 650, 260. अगर 65 फाइजा लेते तो 325 होता है, which is bigger than 292. Okay, which is bigger than 292. So what we'll do, we'll take the 65 fours are 260. Now we'll do the subtraction. 2 minus 0 2, 9 minus 6 3, and this 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. We'll take this 5 down. So number is 325. अगर ये 5 को हम लोग ने नीचे ले लिया तो नंबर इज 325. नाउ इन 65 टाइम्स टेबल 325 comes at 5th place. Okay, 65 5s are 325. 65 5s are 325. Now 5 minus 5 0. We'll do the subtraction now. 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 minus 2 is again 0. 3 minus 3 is again 0. Okay, so our question is 45, means 45 people pay money for the picnic. तो कितने बच्चों ने पैसे पे किए पिकनिक के लिए? 45. Okay, understood? Sarah, if you understood, please type yes in the public chat now. Okay, we'll see this. Okay, if 48, problem number 6, if 48 sheets are required for making one notebook, 48 sheets are required for making one notebook, how many notebooks at the most will 5880 sheets make, and how many sheets will be left over? अगर एक नोटबुक बनाने के लिए 48 शीट्स लग रहे हैं. ओके, एक शीट बनाने के लिए, एक नोटबुक बनाने के लिए कितने शीट्स लग रहे हैं? 48. ओके, तो 5880 शीट्स से हम लोग कितने नोटबुक्स बना सकते हैं? हाउ मेनी नोटबुक्स विल बी मेड फ्रॉम द 5880 शीट्स? ओके, एंड हाउ मेनी शीट्स विल बी लेफ्ट ओवर? और उतने नोटबुक बनाने के बाद कितने शीट्स बाकी रहेंगे? ओके, हाउ मेनी शीट्स विल रिमेन आफ्टर मेकिंग द notebooks? Okay, so answer is, I hope everyone understood the question. Please type Y in the public chat that एक नोटबुक बनाने के लिए 48 शीट लग रहे हैं. ओके, तो हमें शीट्स कितने दिए गए? 5880 sheets are given to us to make the notebooks. So how many notebooks will be prepared from 5880 sheets? 5880 sheets से हम लोग कितने नोटबुक बनाएंगे वो उन्होंने पूछा है. And after making the notebooks, how many sheets will be remain? How many sheets will be left over? We have to find out that. Okay. So the number of sheets are given 5880. कितने sheets दिए उन्होंने? 5880. And one notebook contains 48 sheets. एक notebook में कितने sheets आ रहे? 48 sheets आ रहे. So again we'll do the now we'll do the division. Okay. 5880 sheets are given to us and one notebook contains 48 sheets. So we have to find out how many notebooks will be prepared from this sheets. 5880 sheets दिए, एक नोटबुक में 48 sheets आते, तो हमें कितने नोटबुक बनेंगे वो फाइंड आउट करना है. So we divide 5880 by 48. Now 48 ones are 48. यहाँ पे 48 आएगा. This is little bit shifted towards here. So 8 minus 8 is 0. Okay. We'll write here. This 4 will come here and 8 will come here. Okay. So I'll little bit writing over here. So 48 ones are 48. 8 minus 8, 0. 5 minus 4, 1. Now what we'll do? We'll take this 1 down. We'll take this 8 down. So number is 108. So number is 108. इस 8 को हम लोग ने नीचे लिया. ओके, ये थर्ड प्लेस के 8 को हम लोग ने नीचे लिया. So 48 twos are 96. Why we have taken the 48 twos are? Why we have not taken 48 threes are? तो हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई करके देखते हैं. क्यों नहीं लिया 3 को? 3 8s are 24. Here carry forward 2. 4 3 4s are 12. 12 plus this 2, 14. This 144 is bigger than 108. A 144 108 से बड़ा है ना. That's why we have not taken 48 threes. What we have taken 48 twos. तो हम लोग ने 2 फिर से यहाँ पे लिख दिया. 48 twos 96. Now 8 minus 6 2. 10 minus 9 1. Okay. So what are left? What remains over here? 12. तो हम लोग ने ये 0 को फिर से नीचे ले लिया. Now number is 120. Number is 120. Now 48 twos are again 48 twos are 96. 10 में से 6 गए. 0 minus 6 is not possible. So what this 0 will do? This 0 will borrow 1 from this 2. So 2 ने 1 दे दिया तो 2 के पास बचा 1 और 0 के पास हो गया 10. So 10 minus 6 is 4. 1 minus 9 is possible? No. So what this one will do? This one will borrow 1 from this 1. तो 1 के पास हो गया 11. So 11 और इस 1 ने यहाँ पे 1 दे दिया तो इस 1 के पास क्या बचा? 0. So here the number is 11. So 11 minus 9. 11 minus 9 is 2. So how many sheets remains? How many sheets will be left over? 24. Okay. कितने शीट्स बचे फिर अभी यहाँ पे नोटबुक बनाने के बाद? हाउ मेनी नोटबुक्स विल बी प्रिपेयर्ड फ्रॉम द शीट्स? 1122. एंड हाउ मेनी शीट्स लेफ्ट ओवर? 24. ओके. अगेन आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग. 5880 शीट्स दिए गए. ओके. एक नोटबुक में 48 शीट्स लगते. एक नोटबुक बनाने के लिए 48 शीट्स लग रहे हैं और उन्होंने हमें शीट्स कितने दिए? 5880. तो उन्होंने पूछा है कि 5880 नोट शीट्स में हाउ मेनी नोटबुक्स विल प्रिपेयर. हम लोग 5880 में कितने नोटबुक्स बनाएंगे? एंड आफ्टर मेकिंग द नोटबुक्स हाउ मेनी शीट्स विल बी रिमेन. और नोटबुक बनाने के बाद कुछ तो बचेगा, तो वो कितने शीट्स बचने वाले हैं वो उन्होंने पूछा है. ओके ओके. सो नंबर ऑफ शीट्स 5880 एंड वन नोटबुक कंटेन्स 48 शीट्स. एक नोटबुक बनाने के लिए कितने लग रहे हैं? 48 शीट्स लग रहे. ओके. So we'll write 5880 over here and 48 here. Now 48 ones are 48. 58 minus 48. 58 में से 48 गया. 8 minus 8 0. 5 minus 4 1. So here 10 comes. Okay. 58 minus 48 10. Now ये जो ऊपर 8 है इसे हम लोग ने नीचे लिया. ओके. ऊपर जो 8 है इसके बाजू में इसे हम लोग ने क्या किया? नीचे लिया. So the number is 102. सॉरी यहाँ पे 8 है तो इसे हम लोग ने 8 को नीचे लिया. तो नंबर इज 108. ओके. तो नंबर क्या हुआ? 108. Now we have to find out the number less than 108 in the 48 times table. 48 के टेबल में हमें 108 से छोटा वाला नंबर ढूंढना है. So 48 2s are 96. 48 2s are 96. So we have written over here 48 2s are 96. जब भी हम लोग कोई नंबर ले रहे हैं उसे हमें ऊपर लिखना है. 48 1s are 48. 48 2s are 96. तो 108 में से 96 गया. 8 minus 6 2. 10 minus 9 is 1. So answer is 12. Okay. Now 0 is there. Okay. At the end 0 is there. So we are again taking this 0 at down. तो नंबर हो गया 120. नंबर क्या हो गया? 120. अब 120 को हमें डिवाइड करना है फिर से 48 से. Again we have to find out the number smaller than 120 in 48 times table. So again 48 2s are 96. 48 2s are 96. Now 0 minus 6 is possible? No. So what this 0 will do? This 0 will borrow 1 from this 2. इस 0 ने 2 से 1 borrow किया तो 2 ने तो 1 दे दिया. How many remains near 2? Only 1. 2 ने 1 दे दिया तो 2 के पास कितना बचा? 1 only. Okay. So 10 minus 6 is 4. Now 1 minus 9 is possible. 1 minus 9 is possible? No. So what this one will do? This one will again borrow 1 from this one. ये 1 ने क्या किया? ये बाजू वाले 1 से 1 borrow किया. 1 ने 1 दे दिया तो 1 के पास कितना बचा? 0. 1 के पास कितना रहा? 0. So 11 minus 9. 11 में से 9 गए 2. So how many sheets remains? 24. So how many sheets remains? 24. And how many notebooks are made from these given sheets? 122. 5880 शीट्स से हम लोग ने कितने नोटबुक्स बनाए? 122. एंड हाउ मेनी शीट्स रिमेन्स? 24. 24 से तो कोई नोटबुक बनने वाला नहीं है ना. एक नोटबुक बनाने के लिए कितने शीट चाहिए? 48. 48 चाहिए लेकिन ये तो सिर्फ 22 है तो नोटबुक बनेगा क्या? नहीं. सो हाउ मेनी शीट्स आर रिमेन्स? 24. एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड नाउ? Everyone understood? Okay. Everyone understood? Can I move forward? Okay. So here we finish problem set 15 also. Now we are going to solve problem set 16. Okay. Okay. Problem set 16. In the problem set 16, mixed examples are given. Okay, in problem set 16, mixed examples are given. We'll see one by one. From a total of 1,000 rupees, Anna donated 7,000 rupees to a school. Okay, from a total of 10,000 rupees, Anna donated 7,000 rupees to a school. The remaining amount was to be divided equally among 6 students as the all-rounder student prize. What was the amount of each prize? Okay. Anna के पास था 10,000 and Anna donated 7,000 rupees to the school. अन्ना के पास कितने थे? 10,000 rupees थे. अन्ना ने स्कूल को कितने डोनेट किए? 7,000 rupees. Okay. Now, after donating the money, whatever money remains, that money Anna divided equally among 6 students. अभी 10,000 में से 7,000 देने के बाद जो पैसे बचे अन्ना ने उसको भी 6 स्टूडेंट में इक्वली डिवाइड किया. अन्ना डिवाइडेड दैट मनी इक्वली अमॉन्ग 6 स्टूडेंट. किस तरह से उन्होंने डिवाइड किया? ऑल राउंडर स्टूडेंट प्राइज. वो पैसे उन्होंने किस नाम से दिए? ऑल राउंडर स्टूडेंट प्राइज. सो दैट 6 स्टूडेंट गेट हाउ मच मनी ईच. तो उन बच्चों को 6 स्टूडेंट को वो इक्वली डिवाइड किया गया है. तो one student got how much money, we have to find out that. Okay, so total amount Anna had 10,000. Anna के पास कितना था? 10,000. Anna donated to school 7,000. Anna ने स्कूल को कितना दिया? डोनेट किया 7,000. so what is the remaining amount? 10,000 minus 7,000. तो हमें पहले माइनस करना होगा ना कि अन्ना के पास 10,000 थे, उन्होंने 7,000 दिया, तो अन्ना के पास कितने बचे? 10,000 minus 7,000. 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 10 minus 7 3. तो अन्ना के पास कितने बचे अभी? 3,000. number of students among whom amount got divided. अन्ना के पास बचे 3,000 और अन्ना ने ये 3,000 Anna given to the student. Okay, to the 6 student. And what is the number of student among whom the amount got divided? are 6. 6 बच्चों को अन्ना ने डिवाइड दिस अमाउंट दिया. तो कितना अमाउंट दिया वो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, okay. So amount divided equally. Amount divided equally. Now, whatever amount is remaining is 3,000. And Anna divided this amount into 6 students. Now, each child got how many rupees? We have to find out that. Okay. So 6 5s are 30. Now we'll do here. Okay. 3,000 money is left over, is remaining, and this money is divided into 6 students. So 6 5s are 30. Now do the subtraction. 0 minus 0 0, 3 minus 3 0. This 0 again will take down. Again 6 into 0 0. 0 minus 0 0. Again we'll take this 0 down. वो बाजू वाला 0 हम लोग नीचे लेंगे. Again here 0. 6 into 0 0. We'll write here 6 into 0 0. We'll again do subtraction. What remains? 0. So 6 students got 500 rupees each. तो हर एक बच्चे को कितने रुपीस मिले? 500 rupees. Okay. Each child got 500 rupees each. Understood, student? Understood this question? Again, I am explaining to you. Anna के पास थे 10,000 and Anna donated to the school 7,000. अन्ना के पास 10,000 थे, 7,000 उन्होंने स्कूल को डोनेट किए. So remaining amount is 3,000 rupees. 10,000 में से 7,000 गए 3,000. Now this 3,000 is equally divided into 6 students as a prize. ये 3,000 6 student को equally divide किए गए. तो वो जो डिवाइड करने के बाद एक बच्चे को कितना प्राइज मिला है वो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, सो दिस 3,000 divided by 6. This 3,000 divided by 6. 6 5 are 30. 0 will come. 30 minus 30 0. अभी मैंने आपको यहाँ पे बताया. ओके 3006 3000 and here 6 6 5 are 30. 0 0. We'll do the subtraction. 30 minus 30 0. We'll take this 0 down. 6 5 are 6 into 0 0. If you multiply any number by 0, you are getting 0 only. 6 into 0 0. Again 0 will come. Again we'll take this 0 down. Again 6 into 0 0. Okay, so 0 minus 0 is 0. So each child get 500 rupees. Each child get 500 rupees. Okay, understood? Question number 1. Now we'll see the question number 4. Okay, the contribution. This fifth. Which number on being multiplied by 56 gives the product of 9688? Okay, which number on being multiplied by 50? यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग है ये. हाँ, wait. Which number on being multiplied by 56 gives the product of 9688? ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जिसे हम लोग 56 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? That time we are getting the product. That time we are getting the answer 9688. So we have to find out that number. Okay? ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जिसको हम लोग अगर 56 से मल्टीप्लाई करते, that time we are getting the answer. We are getting the product 9688. So here dividend is 9688. Our divisor is 56. Our divisor is 56. So we'll do the division. Okay, I'm writing here 9688. This is the product and 56 is the divisor. Now 96, we have to find out smaller number than 96 in 56 timetable. 56 ones are 56. 6 minus 6 0. 9 minus 5 4. We'll take this 8 down. So number is 408. 56 sevens are 392. 56 sevens are 392. 8 minus 2 6. 0 minus 9 not possible. So what this 0 will do? This 0 will borrow 1 from this 4. तो 0 ने 1 दे दिया तो 0 के पास हो गया 10 और 4 के पास हो गया 3. So 10 minus 9 is 1 and 3 minus 3 is 0. Now here 16 is there. Again we'll take this 8 down. So number is 168. तो मैं यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा साइड में लिख लेती हूँ आपके लिए. But this will come below this only. Okay, 168. So 168. तो हमें फिर से नंबर ढूंढना है in 56 टाइम टेबल equal or smaller than 168. So 56 3s are 168. So 8 minus 8 0. 6 minus 6 0. 1 minus 1 0. When we multiply 56 173 by 56, that time we are getting the product 9688. Okay, 9688. Okay, जब हम लोग 173 को 56 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, that time we are getting the answer 9688. Okay, understood everyone? Now we are going to